Welcome to Geeks on Command, where we offer fast, professional computer repair and tech support for homes and small businesses. If you live in northern New Jersey or the greater Boulder, Colorado area, you can schedule a Geeks on Command on-site computer repair technician to come right to your home or office. If you prefer, or if you live outside our service area, schedule fast, affordable remote computer support from local computer technicians in the USA. Repairs start at just $75. Our fully qualified computer repair technicians have over 15 years of experience fixing laptops and desktops. They can help with removing viruses, fixing error messages, speeding up your PC, troubleshooting software, upgrading your hard drive, building a custom gaming computer, recovering data, configuring Outlook, and so much more. We're also an IT service provider for small businesses, providing tech support and on-site IT services for businesses. Our team of IT service providers can provide remote support to businesses with multiple branch locations and on-site IT services for businesses with an office location within our local IT service areas. This includes IT services in Hackensack, New Jersey, IT services in Roseland, New Jersey, IT services in Parsippany, New Jersey, IT services in Boulder, Colorado, as well as neighboring towns in New Jersey and Colorado. We offer technical support for your employees' computers, solutions for Outlook email problems, data backup, cybersecurity, consulting services, network support services, disaster recovery, data security services, and other technology solutions to minimize downtime and help your small business run and grow. Save money and improve efficiency by using our team of knowledgeable and professional technicians as your IT solution to keep your business running smoothly instead of paying an in-house support provider. Call Geeks on Command for small business on-site IT support when you need it and learn why we've been named New Jersey's leading IT services provider 3 years running. We work with all brands of computer, offering in-home computer repair service or remote support computer services for all PC manufacturers. This includes desktops, custom gaming PCs, and popular laptops like the Apple MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mac Mini, Microsoft Surface Pro, iPad Pro, Dell XPS, Optiplex and Inspiron, HP Pavilion and EliteBook, Lenovo Yoga, ThinkPad and IdeaPad, Acer Aspire, Asus ZenBook, and more. We support all types of computers and home electronic devices purchased from any computer shop or computer store in the USA. This includes both Windows and Mac computers and all devices like desktops, laptops, printers, tablets, smartphones, even home electronics like smart TVs, Alexa, or Apple Watch. Geeks on Command on-site computer technicians are available in Bergen County, New Jersey, Essex County, New Jersey, and parts of Union County, Passaic County, and Morris County, New Jersey. Geeks on Command has 3 computer store locations in New Jersey. 1. Geeks on Command in Hackensack. Geeks on Command's Hackensack Computer Store provides computer repair in Hackensack, South Hackensack, Paramus, Rutherford, Maywood, and other nearby towns. 2. Geeks on Command in Roseland. Geeks on Command's Roseland Computer Store provides computer repair in Roseland, Bloomfield, Caldwell, Cedar Grove, Essex Fells, Glen Ridge, Montclair, Nutley, West Orange, Verona, and other nearby towns. 3. Geeks on Command in Parsippany. Geeks on Command's Parsippany Computer Store provides computer repair in Parsippany, Troy Hills, Chatham Township, Hanover Township, Morristown, Rockaway Borough, Roxbury, and other nearby towns. Geeks on Command also has a location in Boulder County, Colorado. Geeks on Command's Boulder Computer Store provides computer repair in Boulder, Colorado, Broomfield, Superior, Lafayette, and other nearby towns. We truly believe we're the best computer repair shop for difficult computer repairs, laptop service, computer hardware diagnostics or upgrade, malware removal, corrupted files, software issues, printer setup, replacing components, computer service, power supply replacements, new battery installations, printer setups, diagnostic tests, operating system upgrade install, corrupted file repairs, and any other computer problem. Call us for in-home PC services where you need a computer repaired in the same day. Our team of computer techs have 15 years experience with laptop repair services, going the extra mile to get the problem fixed and provide the best course of action for the customer to ensure excellent customer service. At Geeks on Command, we take pride in our 5-star Google reviews, a testament to our friendly PC technicians, our transparent computer repair pricing, with no hidden fees or bloated cost per service pricing, and our top-rated computer repair services. If something is wrong with your machine and the specific situation isn't fixed by your technician, there is no cost. We have a no-fix, no-fee computer repair guarantee and a 30-day warranty on all tech services. We're open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, every day of the week, so stop fighting with your computer and call Geeks on Command today.